Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about what will happen to your body if you do 100 squat sessions every day. Squats are a great exercise for building lower body strength and improving overall fitness, but doing them 100 times every day can have some significant effects on your body. Benefits. First, let's talk about some of the potential benefits of doing 100 squat sessions every day. One of the most obvious benefits is increased lower body strength. Squats primarily target the muscles in your lower body, including your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, so doing them 100 times every day would certainly increase the strength and endurance of these muscles. In addition to strength, doing 100 squats every day can also lead to an increase in muscle mass, especially if you're using weights or resistance bands. Squats are a compound exercise, meaning they work multiple muscle groups at once, so doing them in high volume can promote muscle growth. Squats are also a weight-bearing exercise, which means they can help improve cardiovascular health. Doing 100 squat sessions every day could improve your overall fitness level and endurance, which is great for your heart and lungs. Another potential benefit of doing 100 squat sessions every day is improved mobility and flexibility. Squats require a full range of motion in your hips, knees, and ankles, so doing them regularly can improve your mobility and flexibility over time. Risks. However, there are also some risks and potential downsides to doing 100 squat sessions every day. One of the biggest risks is an increased risk of injury, especially if you're not performing squats with proper form or using appropriate weight and intensity. Squats can be hard on your knees and back, so it's important to start slowly and gradually increase your squat volume and intensity over time to avoid injury. Another potential downside of doing 100 squat sessions every day is fatigue and overtraining. Squats are a demanding exercise that can be hard on your muscles and central nervous system, so doing them every day without enough rest and recovery time can lead to fatigue and overtraining. So, what will happen to your body if you do 100 squat sessions every day? Well, it depends on a variety of factors, including your current fitness level, diet, and the intensity and duration of your squat sessions. If you approach it with caution, use proper form and intensity, and allow enough time for rest and recovery, doing 100 squat sessions every day can be a great way to improve your lower body strength, cardiovascular health, and overall fitness level. Subscribe for more videos like this.